हे गाइस, माय नेम इज देव एंड वेलकम टू देव मूवी रिव्यूज। आज मैं रिव्यू करूंगा तमिल ओरिजिनेटेड मूवी सुराई पोत्रु। ये मूवी रिसेंटली रिलीज हुई है Amazon प्राइम पे। दिस मूवी वाज सपोज्ड टू बी रिलीज्ड इन थिएटर्स बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड-19 सिचुएशन दिस गॉट पुश्ड अ लॉट बट फाइनली इट गॉट रिलीज्ड ऑन Amazon प्राइम। इस मूवी में लीडिंग रोल्स पे है सूर्या, परेश रावल, अपर्णा बाला मुरली, उर्वशी और मोहन बाबू। बात करते हैं स्टोरी लाइन की। सो दिस मूवी इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय द लाइफ ऑफ GR गोपीनाथ हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ एयर डेक्कन। इस मूवी में सूर्या को कैप्टन दिखाया गया है एयर फोर्स एकेडमी का एंड ही बिलोंग्स टू अ पुअर फैमिली एंड हिज फैमिली स्ट्रगल्स अ लॉट to get him admission into the Air Force Academy. So one day, while training, he gets a call from his mom that his father is on deathbed and ask him to travel back as early as possible. Surya runs to the airport and try to book his tickets for the immediate flight, but he found that tickets are pretty expensive and he did not have that much money. So he begs all around the people to give him some money, but no one is ready to help him. Then he travels by train, bus, rickshaw, belgadi and reach his village, but found that his father is already dead. All his village people hate him so much, and as he is the only son and he could not able to reach on time to complete the final rituals of his dad. Surya then decides to not work in the academy anymore and left his job and decide to open an airline company that can be affordable for the common man. After facing stiff competition from other airline rivals, including that of Paresh Rawal, and after challenging all the hurdles set by them, Surya and his team of former Air Force captains finally managed to pull over the tide and launched the airline company Deccan Air. बात करते हैं एक्टिंग की। So Surya has done great job. Normally I have seen Surya in action movies, but it was very good to watch him in this movie without any action scenes. He impressed us a lot in his emotional scenes. Paresh Rawal is in negative role and as always has done a fabulous job. I was little saddened as it was not his original voice in Tamil, as I am used to his voice in Bollywood movies, but he was good to watch. Aparna Bala Murli, she has played Surya's wife and has done great job. All other characters like Urvashi, Mohan Babu, they are also done good job. बात करते हैं स्क्रीनप्ले और डायरेक्शन की। So the screenplay has been written by Sudha Kongara and the screenplay is very engaging. It will make you to sit at one place and watch the movie till the end. She is also the director of this movie and the direction is fabulous. Great job by Sudha. बात करते हैं बजट और रिलीज की। सो दिस मूवीज ओवरऑल बजट वाज 15 crore and this movie was supposed to release in January 2020 but due to delay in post production activities the film was pushed in April then May and then it could not make a theater release and put on hold due to this COVID-19 pandemic, but now this movie has been recently released on Amazon Prime Video. बात करते हैं ओवरऑल रेटिंग की। सो गाइस, दिस मूवी इज मस्ट वॉच मूवी। यू शुड नॉट मिस दिस मूवी। अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस मूवी इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन हिंदी बट एज आई ऑलवेज से लैंग्वेज शुड नॉट बी अ बैरियर इन वॉचिंग गुड मूवीज। आई वुड लाइक टू गिव 4 stars out of 5। इस मूवी का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे दिया गया है और आई सजेस्ट यू प्लीज डू नॉट मिस दिस मूवी। प्लीज click the link below to watch this movie on YouTube. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload any new video, and do not forget to share with your family and friends. Thank you.